Hi everybody, I'm so glad you're here. If you're new here, welcome to my living room. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I was going to come in here and do a video, and then my husband went down to check the mail, and there was actually a package for me. So I'm going to do the unboxing video first and then the other one later. So I'm going to have a Globeland unboxing. They also have a YouTuber program that you get to pick a couple of things on their website and then do an unboxing video and a couple of videos where you use the things you got. So I did pick a few things and they arrived today, and I'm going to show you what I got, okay? So hold on, let me flip this around and I show you what I got. All right, so this package is from globeland.com. I will leave the links and everything in the description below. Valita told me about it, and I went and emailed them about a YouTube program if they had one for, crafters, and they said, sure, here are things and a couple of rules. You can pick something out, which I did, and they sent it to me. I also got a coupon for you guys. If you guys don't have a YouTube video or don't want to do these videos, you can go and use the coupon if you find something that you like. Globeland is more scrapbooking oriented and doesn't have that many like beads or things, but they have a couple of really cool other things that I got to pick from. So I'll show you what I got, and then I hope you can hear that. Let me see. So here's my scissors, and let's go open this up. Like I said, it literally just arrived, so I haven't even cut it open yet. There we go. Let's take this out of there. Okay. So here it is. And honestly, I kind of don't remember exactly what I got. So it'll be a surprise. I hope I didn't just cut it. Okay. So, all right. Okay, so I got some stencils. But yeah, here. So I was thinking, oh, wait a minute. I remember stencils, but I don't remember mermaids and things. So yes, they aren't mermaids. They are tile stencils, because I plan on redoing some furniture, and I thought maybe having a nice stencil going across it would be nice. So I got these stencils. Let me open it so we can have a look at them. All right, let's get them out of here. Oh, that's pretty. So it's, let's take this off so I can show. Oh, there's another piece I ordered. So isn't that pretty? It's actually much larger than I thought it would be. Apparently I'm really bad at reading descriptions. The little wooden pieces that I'm about to use in this next video were way too small when I ordered them, and this is way bigger than I thought, because I also have a tray, like a breakfast tray, like a serving tray that I wanted to do some stenciling on, and I think this is way bigger than the tray. But I mean, they are really beautiful. They definitely going to work on my furniture. Oops, it's stuck there. So you have the border. That's really pretty. I really like that. I'm very happy with these stencils. They look really, really pretty. I really like that middle medallion there. That's really pretty. And there's some more. Oh, there is another bit of border, I guess, so you can make this longer. Oh, where are you? Can you even see that? So you can attach it and make it, lengthen it a little if you have, like, on the side of a floor or something. That's really pretty. I hope I don't rip them. That's a really pretty stencil, and the quality is quite nice. It's not too thick. I guess I just get some repositionable glue. There is a repositional spray adhesive that I think I'm going to get with those, so I can stick it on wherever I'm working and stencil through them. That's really, really nice. So I'm definitely going to make a video on how I use these. I like them very much. Okay, next video. So my idea for my furniture was to paint them sort of like, I don't know if you've seen those really intricate bone inlay furniture. They're super expensive, but they're so pretty. It's usually a white piece of furniture with like blue, sometimes it's blue inlay and sometimes it's a darker background and a white inlay. They are really, really super pretty, and I cannot wait. I have this chest of drawers in my bedroom that I would like to redo like that. I think that's going to be really pretty, and I'm definitely going to make a video. Okay, that's my packing slip that goes over here. And then, oh, let's just go ahead with this. I think I can take this off. Bloop. So these are these wax seal stamps. There you go, seal stamps. When you do, you know, ye olde letter writing, you have a wax seal to close the envelope. And I have one of these, but it's just a tiny little one with one symbol on it, and it can be changed. I like it very much, but definitely this is, I got a bee, a queen bee, because of course, and a beehive. Oh, sorry, too far over. So I got the queen bee and the beehive and this pretty butterfly. Sorry, over. With some flowers and a ladybug. They're so pretty. And you just basically put this down here. You basically screw them onto the handle and you use them. And I was thinking when I send things out, it would be nice to put a little, you know, one of those little wax seals on the package. It also comes with this little spoon thingy. You put the wax in here and melt it in there so that you can pour it then on wherever you want to, you know, put the seal, and then you press the seal in. Also, what I thought you could do was I could use hot glue. There you go, hot glue, and just use it with hot glue and make little things, you know, just little, I don't know how you call it, little things for the junk journals, you know, because the hot glue, you just glue it in, and it comes with this little bag so that you can store it all in. I think that's very sweet. You just put it all in here. It's stored. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. I'm going to make a video on using this with the hot glue. I have to go and get some colored hot glue sticks. They come in all kinds of colors, and then I will try and use that. Or you can also use acrylic paints to paint on your hot glue pieces. So after you've done this, you can make it really intricate and paint all this. So I'm going to do a video on that and show you how I'm going to use that, because I think that would be fun. I've never done it before. Other than with the little one that I have, but it's something completely different. But I'm looking forward to trying that out with all of you. So that's going to be fun. That's definitely going to be fun. But I need to get the hot glue first, so we need to wait a little on that one. And the last thing I picked is this. Well, it's this actually. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little kitten. And this is actually a diamond painting thing. I've been kind of interested in the diamond painting things. You know, a lot of people I know do them. I have never made one of those because I don't really have room for one of those really big, huge. Oh, look, there come two. I had no idea. There's two of them in here. Oh, that's cute. So, where was I? Anyway, I don't have room for one of those huge diamond paintings or even a small one. It just, I don't think would fit in with, well, I don't really have decor, but you know what I mean. I don't think it would fit in. And I haven't really yet found one that I would, I don't know, that I just think would fit in my house, I think. But they make other things now, other than those big, huge paintings, where you put all the millions and millions of these little things on. See, the problem is that these are tiny and fiddly, and I'm just now getting into sort of beads again. I used to do beads when I was really little, like in my, oh, I wasn't even a teenager. And then I got out of it because there's just so many tiny moving parts. And I just recently got back into it because, you know, they are kind of fun when you sew them onto other stuff. So I'm trying this out on a small scale to sort of get my feet wet and see how this even works and how it's done. And I thought this was so cute because it's actually a little pocket mirror. Eee, there you are. So I think that would be cute to just have in my purse. Oh, it's on both sides. That's so cute. And have a little bit of sparkle for in my purse. I like useful things, so that was right down my alley. I'm not sure if they still have this particular one because it was really low on stock, but they have so many. They have so many other ones that are super cute. They have a couple. Oh, here are some more. They have that owl. I know that, which was a close second to the kitten, and they have a couple of other ones that have just patterns on it, I think, but this is a black and white kitten just like Radish, so I had to have it. There was no ifs or buts about it. So yes, I'm really looking forward to doing this. I think that's going to be the next project we are going to do here, and I'm going to do a video of it so you can see how it works if you've never done it either. But I have never done it, so it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to try this out together. Yeah, it'll be fun. And basically all you do is just put these by color, I think, in this little tray right here, and that's the stick to pick them up with. And you put some of this wax right on the tip. That's what keeps these diamonds like stuck to the tip. And there is a glue sheet on here, and it tells you exactly what number diamonds go where. So it should be relatively easy. Famous last words. But yeah, we'll definitely try this first because I can't wait. It's going to be so cute. And I have a second one, so we'll see what we do with that. Anyway, that is the Globeland unpacking, unboxing. These are the things I got. The little, put this over here. My little diamond art kit and the wax seal and these really cool tile stencils. I can't wait to use this one. So get ready. That's what we're gonna see here in a little bit. Okay, since I do have a little time today and I was going to make a video anyway, I think I will make this one.